Hello, my name is Exona Husseini and I am from Attributi. We are in the process of verifying our Google app. We need access for these sensitive and restricted businessmen reports so that we can optimize our clients' marketing budgets. That's essentially what we do as a company. Specifically, how we optimize marketing spend budgets, and we need this information so that we can successfully do this. Now, we get all of our data via Google Ads accounts, which our clients share with us. Specifically, they provide us with their access token and the customer ID number, which they input manually. So now, in this short presentation, we're just going to start with inputting a customer ID number. So first, we need to click on Current API Connections, and we are then going to input the customer ID just for the purposes of this presentation. This will be randomly generated, but this is provided to us by our customer. Okay. Now, once we have this information, we are then brought to this page, and they, as a client, they will provide us with their access token, customer ID number, as I stated, which is input manually. And once at the very top of our page, here you can see that we have client ID number, and it matches with our user, with ours that we applied in cloud.console with our app, which basically ensures that this is protected and safeguarded. And then once we have this, we're at this point that we then need to look at the accounts. Select our account and we are brought here. So now what we need to do is to click on advanced, and this will bring us to this. So we can choose to click to go to Attributi. And so once we do that, we're going to be presented with a scope. So the scope here is to allow us to see edit, create, and delete Google Ads accounts and data. Now, it's important to note here that we do not manage our clients' Google Ads campaigns, but rather we request access to specific aspects of their data. So as I mentioned before, this includes the customer ID number, the access token, and the refresh token. And we ask for those things that we can provide them with the insights they need to make data-driven decisions. So once we get to this point, we click continue, and that is basically it. We wrap up this whole process. Now, I just want to conclude by saying that at Attributi, we value our clients' privacy and understand the importance of safeguarding sensitive information by only requesting access to data that is essential for extracting insights. We have been granted basic access approval by Google Ads in the past, and we are hoping to verify our app on Google so we can continue to provide our clients with a service they can trust. Thank you very much. This was my presentation. And